Welcome, traders, to another Tickmill trading update with me, Patrick Munnelly. Want to take a look at a few opportunities that I'm tracking at the moment. Firstly, dollar index. We have broken out of the 4-hour channel we were trading in, and I've now found resistance just above the 104 handle. And we yesterday put in a key reversal pattern, and we're looking for some follow through here. I'm looking for a break through the 103.50 on a closing basis today to set the next downside objective, which will be a breach of the 103 low, to target an equality objective initially versus the swing structure we have in place versus against that 104.17 swing high, which gives us 102.44 as the equality objective to the downside through there. And then we look for a test of the key 126 level. Now that's obviously being the key support zone, which bulls have been leaning against for a test of the 108 equality objective on the weekly time frame, but we're unable so far, at least, to break out of the weekly trend channel. So this suggests to me that we may be moving into the next phase of dollar weakness, but we're going to need to see, like I say, a close through that 103.50 to set at least some interim confirmation for that 102.44 test. And then if we can get through there, like I say, we'll be looking at a retest of the cycle lows into that 120 level. Now, obviously, any close back through 104.20 would suggest a false break to the downside and reset targets to the upside. And against that 102.55, we still have that 105.81 equality objective. So if we fail to get the close through the 103.50s, take out the 104.20 on the upside, then we'll look again for 104.80s and 105.80s as the next upside objective. Now I want to take a look at the Nikkei. Okay, 225 here obviously has been on a tear, and I'm tracking a potential 5-wave sequence here on the daily time frame, which has some decent targets to play for. On the 4-hour time frame, the structure at the moment versus the 38,860s swing low gives me a 5 equals 1 minimum upside objective, just shy of 39,700. But as we get into this area, I'd anticipate that the 40,000 level becomes a psychological magnet, and we get a test of that. From there, we can see another corrective phase. But on the basis we didn't get any meaningful momentum divergence on the 4-hour time frame into this last high, that would suggest that it's potential wave 3 high for me. And so this would be a wave 4 corrective structure, and we're looking for a wave 5 extension up into minimum 39,700 and a potential 40K test. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Russell. Russell has a decent setup here. We have a triangle scenario developing on the daily time frame. So I'm looking for any breakthrough the 2060 level. Next target is going to be a test of monthly projected range resistance. Obviously, month comes to an end today, 2080. And I think we could then look on to a move to test into the 127 extension of this last major corrective phase, 2095, and then we'd expect that the 21 handle becomes a magnet. On the weekly time frame, I think we could ultimately be setting up for a move to test the 2270s as the next upside objective there on the Russell. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.